Did you know you can turn a spare room or an unused property into a steady source of income with Airbnb? That's exactly what I did, and in just a few months, I became a superhost. Today, I'll show you how to get started and how you can earn bonuses with your first booking. Welcome to my channel, Airbnb Me. Hello, my name is Clara, and I've been an Airbnb superhost for 2.5 years. Hosting has allowed me to earn extra income, meet amazing people from all over the world, and create unforgettable experiences for my guests. In this video, I'll share my journey to becoming a superhost, give you practical tips to set up your first listing, and show you how to get started using my Airbnb referral link, which gives you a bonus on your first booking. I started hosting back in 2022 with my own house, located in Mendoza, Argentina. My first guests were quite picky. They were looking for all the mistakes they could find, and I'll be honest, they found some and it was a big learning experience. But over time, I figured out the key to success: creating a welcoming space, communicating effectively with guests, and going the extra mile to make their stay special. Within the first 5 months, I earned superhost status, and my bookings doubled. If you're new to hosting, here's what you need to do. 1. Create your listing. Choose a great title and write a description that highlights your space's best features. 2. Set competitive pricing. Look at similar listings in your area for guidance. 3. Take high-quality photos. Good lighting and clean spaces make all the difference. 4. Get ready for guests. Make sure your space is clean, safe, and stocked with essentials. And here's a pro tip: communicate with your guests before they arrive to understand their needs and make their stay extra special. Now, here's the exciting part. When you sign up to host using my referral link in the description, you'll get a bonus after your first booking, $40 as a gift. It's a great way to kickstart your hosting journey and start earning faster. I've helped several friends start hosting this way, and they're already seeing results. Plus, I'll be sharing all my best tips to help you succeed. So, what are you waiting for? If you've ever thought about hosting, now's the perfect time to get started. Click the link in the description to sign up, get your bonus, and join me on this journey. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tip. See you next time, and happy hosting!